YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Young Sniper coming back again with another banger video. You already know how it go. And shoot, I know y'all been waiting for this for the longest probably, you know what I'm saying? But I'm finna go ahead and give y'all boys like a real deal POV drive, you know what I'm saying? And finna go ahead and head to Summit. Me and my boy Carlos, he got Bryson. We all finna run out here to Summit. He got he in this Yukon that's behind me. I don't know if y'all can see it or not with the hard LED lights. But we got this guy. Yes, sir. That's the first spin for y'all boys. Really show y'all boys I get this bit wide, you know what I'm saying? Real deal him. Like I was finna say, we got traffic coming right now. I don't know what the hell going on, man. It about 4 o'clock though, you know what I'm saying? It makes sense. Got folks getting out of school and all that, man. But some of these folks be just in the way, in my opinion. I ain't gonna cap you down. But that thing just jump. Ooh-wee. Man, folks really be thinking that, you know what I'm saying, my car tuned and all that crazy stuff and all that, man. I just be laughing at these niggas. Just like, bruh. Nah, dog, like real spill. Like my car ain't tuned, you know what I'm saying? This is a stock twin turbo Q50, y'all. That's all I got to say, you know what I'm saying? And you don't believe me, you don't believe me. That's all I'ma say. But when I actually have shit done to my car, y'all act like I'm not gonna tell y'all, my nigga. What the fuck? I'm gonna post videos of that shit, like when I'm going to go do all this, when I go tune my shit and all that, because at the end of the day, can't be out here just saying your car stock and you got shit done to it, and you know what I'm saying, folks trying to run your ass. But like what I actually got done to my car, y'all, I ain't no gatekeeping ass nigga. All I got done, my nigga, is a fucking muffler delete and some drop-in filters. This car is still stock, bruh. Like, I don't care what nobody say. That's not shit, bro. This shit don't add, it don't really do shit, in my opinion. But I mean, I don't know. Folks gonna believe what they want to believe on shit. It really don't matter to me. But that's all I got to say on that. That boy the rail just rolled past. He here. Oh, we going to the right? Hold on. You want me to make a right? That thing getting up. This thing definitely getting up. Shoot, I hope y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, having a good day. And I also want to let y'all know that I most definitely appreciate y'all for you know what I'm saying, watching my videos, liking my videos, just anything, any support that I'm getting. I want to let you know that I appreciate you to the fullest, you know what I'm saying? Y'all real deal, the day ones, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not getting started on this YouTube stuff. But being honest, I really could have, you know what I'm saying? I really could have been started on this. Folks don't know that. But it's just, back then, I don't know, I really didn't have the motivation to really pick up the camera. But now, it's different. Like, I actually love picking up the camera to show y'all what I got going on in my life. And I love, like, when folks, they want to see what I got going on, you know what I'm saying? That's why I let y'all know, like, my supporters, anyone that's watching my videos, do anything to my videos, I 100% appreciate you. And it's going to help me and help us in the long run, you know what I'm saying? You never know, like, when I get big or anything like that, I can have giveaways and all that crazy stuff. Like, yeah, anything is literally possible, you know what I'm saying? So, shoot, y'all keep coming with the energy. I'm gonna keep coming with the banger videos. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how this go. We just gonna go up for sure. And anybody that want to pop out with me, y'all boys make sure y'all tap in on my Instagram for sure. Like, y'all want to hit me up or anything like that, just tap in on the ground. Make sure I hit y'all boys back. Oh shit, I give y'all boys a little standstill. Now these boats slamming on brakes. But oh yeah, for sure, I gotta let y'all know that I'm thinking about once I hit 500 subscribers, y'all boys, y'all making it happen. I already know, cause these views are starting to go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I appreciate that so much. But what I was finna say. With that being said, once I hit 500 subscribers, I plan on oh my God, this thing getting up. But what? Ooh, well, them brakes hot. But what I was gonna say? Dang, I keep getting off topic. I'm sorry, y'all. What I was saying was, once I hit 500 subscribers, I plan on hosting a huge, you know what I'm saying, infinity meet. And with that being said, anybody that wants to pop out or anything like that, y'all boys just hit me up on the Instagram. I'm gonna make sure I drop a flyer and all that. But like I said, don't, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all ready and all that stuff, but you gotta wait till I hit 500 subscribers, for sure. Once I hit 500 subscribers, that's what I'm doing. I'm hosting a huge infinity car meet. But you can come with any car, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter to me, but mainly, you know what I'm saying, everybody know what I stand for, big fin man, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna host a huge infinity meet, and any Nissans, 350Zs, all that stuff, for sure, pop out. But yeah, we definitely gonna go up with that for sure. That's gonna be a crazy car meet. I want y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, come trim every single trip. You already know, y'all come trim. I'ma turn up. That's gonna be that. We gotta make sure we get a disclosed location, cause I don't want no dealings, no, you know what I'm saying, problems with these folks right here. Y'all already see them. Look at them. Not just that particular cop or that, you know what I'm saying, county, but I'm just saying, though, I don't want no problems, no complications with the police. So I'm gonna make sure that we find a good, secluded, private spot, so it's all good with y'all, you know what I'm saying, doing and all that stuff. And yeah, man, we're gonna turn up for sure. YouTube, I'm back again, man. Y'all boys excuse my dirty windshield. I know I gotta clean it. You know what I'm saying? Got Bryson behind us. You already know we come true. Man, this red car in front of me, y'all, man. I wish I was recording, man. They just jumped right in front of my ass. Should I get some get back? Oh, shit. Yeah, man. Oh, damn, he over there. There you go. Check him out. Yeah. Gang shit. Y'all boys peep this Mercedes riding past. It's crazy. Y'all already know, man. We out here motherfucking McDonald's right now, man. In the, you know what I'm saying, that fastest queue, man. That motherfucker right here, man. You know, that motherfucker that, you hear that thing purring? Man, I one-hand this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? No hand this thing, man. I'm trim. I'm holding the phone, and I was just shifting real quick, man. I'm trim. But, I guess I might pick the camera back up when we, you know what I'm saying, walking in the summit. And yeah, I'll let y'all boys, you know what I'm saying, see all that, for sure. YouTube, we done made it to the summit. And that boy Bryson. Y'all boys a little dead pull real quick. Shit, you know what I'm saying? And they got 12 out here, man. I ain't even know. That's crazy. Y'all know me, man. Country. Got an LS 400 out here. Go ahead and find. Who the fuck? Who the fuck honking, y'all? What? Bro, I know y'all hear that, bro. I don't know who the hell honking, but boy, I thought somebody was laying their horn at my house and say, boy, what the fuck, shawty? You don't get the fuck on. They still going, bro. Like, what the fuck? These niggas done died like a GTA character, kid. You know when the GTA character, they be died, They head be on the goddamn steering wheel. Hell nah, kid. These niggas done fucked up out this bit, man. But shit, I hope y'all boys enjoyed this POV drive. You know what I'm saying? If so, make sure y'all boys hit that like button and let me know if y'all want to see this again. And you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I appreciate y'all boys. Y'all boys just stay tuned for the next video. And shit, all love. Y'all boys be safe.
Man, what did he do to make them niggas that mad?